How to add Elementor in WordPress. I'm going to show you two methods. So for the first one, I've opened up WordPress here, and what we want to do is go to plugins, and then here we will just search for Elementor, and you will be able to find the plugin if you click on the magnifying glass here, and you will be able to see Elementor website builder. So if we click on here, then we can upgrade to a new plan. If you have a WordPress plan, you can just add this plugin here, and it's going to connect Elementor to WordPress. However, what I've done is I've actually purchased an Elementor subscription. So if we want to link it to our WordPress, then basically all we have to do is go to the website section here, and we will create a test website. And if we select this option after we hover over the preview open WordPress dashboard, this is actually automatically going to connect this to our to WordPress, and you will not need to install any plugins because it's already going to connect Elementor to WordPress. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.